So I've created this Telegram bot just in few minutes and for free, and I'm just going to show you how it works. So let's say I'm just going to type this and send, which says create a warm poster for a bean craft coffee promoting their new signature roast. So I basically want a poster and I've mentioned everything about the poster right over here. And you're going to see within seconds and in real time I have received this poster. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of the Telegram bot which we're going to create in today's video. So what happens is that I'm running a digital marketing agency and we regularly want certain creatives, images and so on for our projects. And to solve this problem, I've created this Telegram bot, and whenever I'm just going to ask for any image to this Telegram bot, it is going to generate me the image within seconds like it generated right now. And yes, in this video I'll show you how you can also create this Telegram bot just in few minutes and yes, for free. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create this Telegram bot for free today, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Once you click on the sign up for free button, it is going to ask you for some basic details. Just enter those basic details and you can try Pabbly Connect for free. After you try Pabbly Connect, and if you want more tasks, which means if you like Pabbly Connect, you can purchase the subscription plan. And if you want a very good discount for the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, then for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. This discount coupon code is for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you find Pabbly Connect helpful, you can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount. Alright, so now let's see how this automation can be created. So you have to log in inside Pabbly Connect. Once you're on the dashboard, you have to click on create workflow button and come on your workflow builder like this. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Telegram and select Telegram as our application over here. And now for the event, select it as set webhook/watch updates and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, open your Telegram account and search for bot father and open bot father. So what you have to do is, let's say I am just going to delete all the chats with bot father, and you have to search for bot father and open this bot father. This will be the profile picture. Make sure that you open this one only. After you open this, you have to click on this start button, and after you click on this start, you have to go towards this message which is the reply and click on this /new bot. It is saying, all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? So let's say I'm just going to call this bot as image_pab_bot, and this is the name I want to give to this bot. It is saying now let's choose a username for this bot, so I'm just going to keep the same as the username. Make sure that the username which you're using should end with /bot. It is very important. Alright, so now send this. And once you're going to send this username, the token will be generated over as the tokens. You just have to copy this token, open your workflow and paste the token right over here. After pasting this token, click on this save and your Telegram bot will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what you have to do is you have to go back towards your Telegram, the bot which you created right now, just copy the username and then you have to open the group or the channel in which you want to send or receive the messages in. Like this is the same group, so I'm just going to go towards this group and I'm just going to add the bot in this group. Alright, so to add the bot in this group, click on this add user buttons, enter the same username and this bot will appear. So you just have to select the bot and add that bot as a member in this group first. Alright, so as you can see that I've successfully added this bot as a member. After adding this bot as a member, what you have to do is you have to promote this bot to admin, and for that you have to use your mobile phone. What you have to do is you have to open open your Telegram in your mobile phone, then go towards the same group. So as you can see that this is the group, so I'm just going to open this same group, and after I open this group, I am just going to go towards the members, and this is the member, and I'm just going to promote this member to admin. So for that, I'm just going to tap on this and then go towards this promote and promote this member to admin. And as you can see that we have successfully promoted this member to admin. So let's open the members once again, and I'm just going to refresh it. Once we will refresh it, you're going to see yes, this has turned into admin right over here. Now let's go back towards the workflow and now click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. So let's say I'm just going to type this message now, which says to create the poster for a rose toner from Natural Glow Skincare. So I'm just going to send this message right over here. Once to send this message, I'm just going to open my workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured this response, and over here we have received this same text. Now using OpenAI, we're just going to generate the image for this text. So let's just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for OpenAI right over here and select OpenAI. For the event, you have to select it as generate image. So I'm just going to search for image right over here, and you can see over here is the event of generate image DALI. So I'm just going to select the same and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, go towards your OpenAI API key page. You're going to find the hyperlink just over here. Just click on this. Now you have to go towards this create new secret key button. First of all, if you're not logged in, log in inside your OpenAI account, then click on this create new secret key button, enter your key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting this key, click on this save, and your OpenAI account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now choose the model as DALI 3 because this is a more advanced model over here which we have received as the message, but we don't have to enter this manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, just put a slash, the details will appear, and then map the text, which is the message text right over here. It is saying number of images to be generated, so I want to generate a single image, so I'm just going to keep it as 1. For the size, I'm going to keep it as 1024. For the quality, I'm just going to keep it as HD. For the style, if you wish, you can definitely mention the style, but over here in the prompt, all the details are mentioned. You can leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Once you are going to click on this save and send test request, it is going to generate you the image according to the prompt which you have entered, and then further we can send that image back towards our Telegram channel. So we're just going to wait, and as you can see, the image is generated. Or we're going to see that this is the URL which is the image, so I'm just going to open this in a new tab, and as you can see that this is the image which is generated for the face toner of Natural Glow Skincare. So as you can see that this is the image which is generated, and I'm just going to post it on my Telegram. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step and then search for Telegram bot once again. So I'm just going to search for Telegram bot once again and select it right over here. Now for the event, I'm just going to select it as send a photo and click on this connect. Now we have recently created the connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect, so click on this select existing connection and then save. Now it is asking me for the chat ID, so yes, over here I'm just going to go back towards my Telegram, and as you can see, we have to open the same group we want to send the message in. In this, you're going to see that this is the chat ID which is after this hashtag, and it will start from this hyphen. So my version is a version, that's the reason I can see this chat ID, but if you are in the K version, you have to go towards this menu more and switch to A version. Once you're on this A version, you're going to see the correct chat ID, so copy the same and paste it right over here in this chat ID field. For the caption, I'm just going to keep the caption simple which says here's the image. So I'm just going to keep this as the caption, so I'm just going to enter it. For the URL, I'm just going to put a slash and map the image which AI generated. For the pass mode, I'm going to keep it as markdown. It is saying disable notifications. I'm just going to keep it as no and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, yes, you can see we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the reply. So let's open our Telegram, and you're going to see yes, over here is the same same image which my AI generated. And yes, not only this, like I showed you in the starting of this video, now whenever I'm just going to simply paste the text right over here or simply ask for the image, within seconds and in real time the image will be generated and the image will be sent back on this chat. I don't have to do anything. You know what I have to do? I just have to sit back and relax, and within seconds and in real time this workflow is going to run in backend. You can create this Telegram bot for free, and as you can see, the image is generated right over here. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this workflow. Go and try this workflow yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial as I already mentioned. Alright, so now if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you want the workflow, all of this workflow is attached in the description box below, also the discount coupon code. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.